Welcome today in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first of all, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And here you can see that we'll just create the new home screen folder on our device screen. By the same way, we can add here more applications if you want. Here we can rename the name of this folder. For example, enter the app. So then click here to OK, and as you can see, we just successfully renamed our device folder. We can move it here on the screen also if you want, or between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it. For example, we can also create a new screen with this folder. And just to remove some applications from here, hold for a while and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen, hold for a while and click here to remove. But don't worry, you will stay with this app here in the apps menu, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.